to train very, very small pieces of technical jumps, technical moves. So when you go out and take it onto a big scale, you're going to be very, very prepared. You've repeated the small thing. Is helpful is because to do a lot of these moves, especially here today, it's very small space, very compact. You have to be very precise. So it just means when you've got something where you've got a bit more space, you've got a space where you can slip a bit, maybe you've got space to maybe take an extra step or something. It gets rid of that doubt or that worry too much in your mind.
They're not too physically demanding, so you can do them on your off days. And you've only got like 30 minutes to train, and you just want to do some light parkour to recover from heavier session. You can still work on something technical.
Me today I did some conditioning exercise. It was taking off one leg, one foot on the wall, one on the floor. Try to go as fast, as quick as possible up, and then land on the other on the wall, and try to go down as slow as possible. So it's take off fast, and land and control. That's it.
It isn't all about the big training as well, because I know that everyone wants to push their limits and everyone wants to do the big stuff and the fun stuff, but sometimes really just drilling the basics, spending good time drilling the basics, drilling the small moves, it does amazing things for the rest of your body.